Kurgan, Pixar, like that, turn on the light. Can you believe what you're seeing?
Welcome guys, today I'm going to show you something new. And the new thing is the Pixel 8 Pro.
Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. Engineered by Google with AI controlled by you. AI controlled by you.
Oh, what phone is this? Look at the phone. Let me open this. Oh, wow, what a color. This looks like epic I've seen in my life. Look at it. Oh my god, let's take it up. Oh, let me open the job. It looks so good. Oh my god, what a phone.
You can capture the cosmos, create the right light, zoom in. That's kind of our thing.
Believe what you're seeing?